जी, हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे नंदिता भाभी। Tell me when to go.
1 second, just hold.
We shall consider this and break this and put Versace.
चलो
Nothing can look better than this.
से
Ready बता देना।
हाँ जी, स्टार्ट।
Hi नंदिता भाभी, हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे। आपको पता है सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट आदमी आपकी लाइफ का कौन होना चाहिए? अरोड़ा फैमिली में राजीव अरोड़ा उर्फ जिमी। रीजन बताया जाता है, अच्छा कई साल पहले आपको ढूंढने के लिए एक आदमी आया था और एक आदमी भेजा गया था। वो कौन था? मैं। और मुझे किसी ने रिश्वत नहीं दी थी आपको पकड़ के D23 में लाने की। बट आई फाउंड यू अट्रैक्टिव, इंटेलिजेंट। दैट वाज द डे एंड टुडे इज द डे। सो मेनी इयर्स हैव पास्ड बाय एंड यू आर इन आवर फैमिली एंड वी आर लकी टू हैव यू हियर। अब कुछ आपकी देवरानी कहते हैं, देवरानी बोलेगी फटे हुए कपड़ों में।
Hi Nandita. Initially I was very apprehensive because I thought I'm going to have a catty-eyed Jethani, which was very tough for me to absorb, to think. I said, anyway, I'll cope up with it. As the years went by, days went by, months went by, the liking for you grew and grew and grew, and you became like a mother to my kids also, teaching us, guiding us, and now that Mummy Papa are not there, I think you have played a major role in keeping the family together, everybody together, and guiding us the way they used to guide. Well, I've had my issues, I mean, not issues. Then you came on BB, then you came on FB. I said, oh my God, how am I going to cope up with all this?
Even I'm not with her on that. You are there.
But anyway, everything was so nice, so comfy. I think you're one of my closest friends today, if I consider all my friends. I talk to you, share with you, ask you, and you always give me the right decision, right opinions about people you advise me to go about. And more than that, I think what you have done for my kids, and they look up to you, and that's why they call you Taima. I think you are the mother, you are the mom for them more than I. So,
Bobby,
I'm
it's
so
time to
happy.
enjoy now. You worked very hard all your life, looked after everybody, drink a lot, party a lot,
Yeah.
dress up, shop like Vanna, do half the things what she does, and she'll be the happiest woman in the world, believe me, at least half. Let Timmy Bhaiya also become a bit poor like me. I want him to become slightly poor like me. Then he'll value money more, like I am doing right now. Bobby, enjoy, have a great life.
Yeah.
50 years, not a huge life. You've finished 50 years working hard. Party, party, party.
Party and live your life. You have brought up your kids beautifully. They're grown up, responsible, independent, and I think they'll manage. And it's time that you just have fun completely.
Say this part again.
Enjoy, have a great life ahead with all of us. We with you and you with us. Cheers, let's drink. Mr. Sunil Sikka, please pay attention. Thank you guys. Bye.
One thing I've always envied is your color of your eyes, and I thought I'll try everything. I went to every optician, tried the contacts, wore them, and I said no, it's not what it is me. It just suits you perfectly, and the way you carry those colors, and I hope the generations after you carry the color same way. Get the color same way. I mean, ये part को ठीक करना पड़ेगा तुझे.
फिर से बोलना पड़ेगा.
फिर से बोल दो पूरा, फिर रुक जाओ. Start.
One thing which I really envied about you is the beautiful color of your eyes, and I thought let me also try getting them. So I went from one optician to the other, bought every color of the contact lens, all shades of green, blue, grey, hazel, tried it on before a party, and each time I would come and say, no, it's not me. Why should I try it? It's just perfectly suitable for you, and you look gorgeous in it and really pretty. Okay, better.
Nandita Bhabhi, one more thing. You are lucky. At the age of 50, you have to thank your daughter Samiksha and son-in-law Rahul. They have not made you nani yet. Can you imagine how hard they are trying not to make you nani? Please, please, you're lucky. Nani at 50? Ooh, ha!
Wish you a very happy 50th birthday.
Bolo udhar.
Wish
you a very happy 50th birthday. Happy birthday. फिर से बोलना फिर. तुम
मैं happy anniversary.
फिर से करो.
Yeah.
करो.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Yeah. Wish you a very happy 50th birthday and many, 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 many more to come. Cheers.
Cool. Yes, sir.
Mr. Sikka, please listen to us as we listen to you. Mr. Sikka. Friends, attention. Please listen to us. Mr. Rana, Mr. Sikka, two of you, please guys, listen to us. Thank you. Shall we start now? With your permission. Have you make the best cheesecake in the world. Best cakes in the world.
Come start.
Wait, I'm just giving her.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
डॉग दिख नहीं रहा वैसे वो.
चलो कोई नहीं.
आज.
Are you showing?
Yeah.
Start.
Yeah.
शुरू करो.
Hi Taima, happy 50th birthday. We both love you. And your cheesecakes are just amazing. Your pastas, lasagnas and everything you make. Hope you can teach me also someday. And Mama also.
Perfect. 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday Taima.
Start.
Nanta Bhabi, happy birthday to you. Thank you for being a big support to me when my kids were small. Thank you for giving me the comfort of knowing that I could leave my children in your care whenever I had to travel because of work. Stop kare.
Start.
Thank you for doing this untiringly again and again, so many times whenever I had to travel, and thank you for giving me the comfort that I knew that you will take care of my children better than I could. Thank you so much for your kindness. They say wisdom is very important in life, but the recognition of kindness is the beginning of wisdom, and you fared 100 on 100 in it. Thank you. A very happy 50th birthday. May you live long and you have a wonderful, prosperous, happy life as you have had up till now. May it continue forever and ever for you.
Hey, dumping the pan, dumping the pan, kill you.
Should I go sit?
Listen again. Hey, dumping the pan, dumping the pan, kill you. I will do it. Dumping the pan, dumping the pan.
तेरे मोटू का भाई है वो. Should I sit properly?
Like this.
अरे sit यार. No, the other phone.
We're back.
राउत चप्पल दिख रही है.
हाँ संभव की दिख रही है.
हाँ मजाक.
नहीं सीरियसली संभव की दिख रही है.
मम्मी कैसे दिख सकती है? मजाक नहीं. किसी की नहीं दिखती. हम दोनों की बताओ जब वो येलो दिख रहा है, रेड दिख रहा है, पीछा में
खाकी
येलो रेड दिख रहा है.
We're back.
संभव में ऐसा लग रहा है पता नहीं बच्चे को बैठा दिया बीच में, दो आंटी हो गई.
हम आंटी बच्चा तो ठीक है. हम आंटी
गलती से निकल गया.
We're
नहीं चलेगा मैडम. सॉरी. इतनी
अरे चुप रहो ना. 1, 2, 3.
I don't know what to say.
नोट कार्ड लेके खड़ा हो जाओ यहाँ पे.
Oh yeah. That was charging. You were recording it.
नो.
और यार मुझे पता है.
We're back. अरे क्या पता है यार.
हाँ रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है यार. उठ के मत आओ बार-बार, बैठ जाओ.
Okay. We are back. We are back. 5 years, another 50th.
संभव
झूठ से नहीं चीखना है.
यू इडियट. वैसे तो तेरी आवाज
Raindrops falling on my head.
Stop it.
Remember Papa said this.
It's not funny. Director sir, producer sir.
Producer Karan Johar Malaki fine.
you can go wash your hair in the WC.
बस.
Please tell me wash your hair in the WC.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
If you know what.
1 second, I'm saying we are back. Another 5 years, another 50th.
Because
And we're not looking at each other all this time. We're only looking at the.
At me, I'm better.
Not
than all
at
of you.
into that camera.
It's the same thing.
No, it isn't. Then you say
Better.
No, first after I say 5 years, another 50th.
bigger.
Better.
Run.
Go there.
Here, yeah,
Tissue.
Just flush it.
No. Put it in tissue and then flush it. Sugar, toilet paper.
यार ये संभव
इसको कोई पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे इसके बाद।
किस चीज़ के
आज
पैसे?
आज के स्केड्यूल के।
इसको 1 रुपया नहीं मिलने वाला।
यार 1 रुपया नहीं मिलेगा।
समीक्षा कह रही हमारी रथ में आ गई है।
कहती हूँ नहीं है।
Can we start?
आ गया क्या?
बहुत तंग कर रहा है।
बाल आ गया?
नहीं है।
कहाँ गया हुआ है?
नहीं
Okay, people, 50 years, bigger, better,
Bigger,
Better.
Better.
smarter.
bigger, better, smarter.
When we say taller, then we have to
No, one second, listen. Bigger, better, smarter. We have to say prettier then, right? So we do pretty like that or we do pretty like that. आवाज आएगी, record नहीं होगा. So
बंद कर दो,
prettier
आवाज
like that.
आ जाओ अंदर।
So I'm on the wrong. Sorry, you have to come there. I'm on the wrong pose.
Why?
I can't sit here.
Why?
No, because give me a side बैठ जाते हैं.
यार रील खत्म हो जाएगी.
But 5 series हो रहे हैं, relax करके. Then we say prettier.
Taller.
Nah.
We have to look at each
We do this
other.
one.
Nah. ये तो look करना होता है. Nah. I mean taller के बाद.
Taller के बाद.
ऐसे करेंगे ऐसे.
The first prettier.
Listen.
संभव
मैंने ऐसे taller.
संभव आराम से।
हाँ, I think we only say nah. और मेरे पास है nah.
हाँ तेरे को ही फर्क पड़ रहा है।
I only say taller and I'll say man. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. We're back.
5 years and another 50th.
Bigger,
Better.
smarter.
Shubhya, you have to look at the camera, not at Samiksha. Always.
But I'm being ready now. Now you are ready here.
No, ये तुम्हारा फर्स्ट तुम अपना तो रिकॉर्ड कर लो पहले।
नहीं वो उसके
हाँ वो कंटिन्यूएशन में कुछ।
1, 2, 3. We're back.
No, sorry. I have to look there. हाँ, then continue.
संभव स्टार्ट।
We're back.
5 years, another 50th.
Bigger,
Better.
smarter.
Prettier.
See?
You also have to say.
I don't know.
You have to say prettier together.
चलो स्टार्ट स्टार्ट।
Just look at you.
No, we have to say
No, no,
prettier
so-
together.
Bigger, no, you don't.
We're back.
5 years and another 50th.
Bigger,
Better.
smarter,
Prettier.
taller.
Nah.
Nah.
हाँ तो कॉलर के बाद ना अभी तू ही बोलेगा।
नहीं, नहीं, नहीं.
Say
तो
that.
मुझे बोलने का मौका तो दो यार.
After say taller, take one, count one in your head.
नहीं।
After you say taller,
Only I say that, please.
No, we all say that. Because we all are short.
simple.
Yes, I am.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. We're back.
एक सेकंड स्टॉप डूइंग दिस दिस आई थिंक इज गोना बी फाइन। एक बारी करके ये वी आर बैक मत करो। वो भी एक बारी में नहीं हो पाएगा।
It's in practice. धीरे.
We're back.
5 years and another 50th.
Bigger,
Better.
smarter.
Prettier. No, we don't look at him. We don't look there and say prettier.
Taller. Nah.
We just make faces. Okay, done.
1, 2, 3. We're back.
5 years and another 50th.
Bigger,
Better.
smarter,
Prettier.
taller.
Nah.
Okay, she said it. Don't do all that nonsense.
तेरे को why do you have to say ना? टॉलर तूने बोल दिया ना?
Okay. We didn't say.
Shubhya and Samiksha you say when somebody says taller na, then you guys should say not you. No, not you. It is better. No.
अच्छा, how does it come?
अच्छा पॉज करके। हाँ समझ मत।
हिलाना नहीं है उसको समझ।
You stay away. You.
ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है ना बंद करो। Just don't act so tough. Just it. हाँ.
ये ऊपर हो गया।
वो इधर आ सकते।
ये समझे।
बस ठीक है, थोड़ा सा इधर करो।
ऐसा ही जोश मान चलाओ तुम।
संभव।
One second, make sure.
You guys are
और ऐसा दिया meals.
तुम ही इसके पीछे हो।
ऊपर हो। हाँ संभव।
She hit me.
No.
Shubhya, sit properly the way you're supposed to. Perfect.
Ah, monkey. We can see it. It's getting recorded. Don't worry. We'll capture it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're back.
5 years and another 50th.
Bigger,
Better.
smarter,
Prettier.
taller.
Yeah, you're not supposed to get the prettier, no?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You guys, एक second.
Mom's summer's troubling the most in the video.
It's recording.
राहुल क्या किया?
सच में तो की लगी है नाटक कर रहे हैं फिर.
नाटक नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
तू नाटक बहुत करता है ना. देख अगर नाटक नहीं कर रहा तो मेरे को भी लगता है तुम्हें सीरियसली लग गई है.
राहुल बाजू में दरवाजा बंद करो, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है.
वो दिख भी नहीं रहा.
मैं फिर करूँ.
अच्छा उठो प्लीज दोनों.
वैक्सीन लगा लो.
What did he say? What did he say?
Nothing.
लगा लिपस्टिक लगा है. अरे was I coming in? वो देखो तो सही.
हाँ वो I did that.
नहीं दिख रहा, नहीं दिख रहा.
अभी
Then I come and sit here. Like
नहीं
this.
ऐसे नहीं ऐसे नहीं बैठना. सीधा रखो अपनी बॉडी को. हाँ बस लगा है.
भाई इसे ऊपर करेगा तो नहीं आ रहा, तरह से कट रहा है. थोड़ा नीचे होना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा नीचे होना पड़ेगा.
Right now just come like this. Just come.
ये तो आई जाएगी.
अरे यार I'm very good. Put one leg and then come.
One leg.
थोड़ा सा
Record हो रहा है?
राहुल थोड़ा इधर हो.
अच्छा.
और इधर move this side out of the frame. रिकॉर्डिंग पे रखा है क्या किसी ने?
नहीं प्लीज प्रॉपर्ली समझो दिस टाइम.
हाँ, this is the final
And
one.
straight.
We are not recording again.
Stomach in.
Stomach in.
Stomach especially you.
Straight back.
We're back.
5 years and sorry. Start.
Cut it. Restart. Take 4.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
तब तक
4,
भूल ही जाएंगे.
3, 2, 1, go.
We're back.
5 years and another 50.
Bigger,
Better.
smarter,
Prettier.
taller. Nah. Now we're not 3. So this is the thing. We're 4. 4 mosquitoes. Hey Jeets, join the gang, huh? Hey.
You were not supposed to say that. I was supposed to say that, but anyway. Now we don't know what we have to say. Now we have to say, okay, okay, that's what you said. You keep
But
you
you have
saying
to
it.
say.
So in Thailand, they have to say, mommy, how do you handle these 3? They're a handful.
How
These
do
3
you-
idiots, they're a handful.
3 dudes.
Okay, so then we say anyways, then I say anyways, so, shut up. Anyways, so, who's calling who what?
Mama.
Mama, mom,
इतना recording मत
No, yours,
Mom.
just once you make a mistake, the same order.
Mom.
Just together.
Mama. Mom. Mummy. 1, 2, 3, go. Mama. Yeah. Your mom, mummy, mom, mama. 1, 2, 3, go. Mama. Mama. Okay, sorry.
Raju, you won't come fine like this. Put your knee आगे and just.
आ रहा हूँ मैं.
अब ठीक होगा ना ऐसे आगे नहीं आएगा.
थोड़ा सा वो.
No, don't bend. It's okay.
हाँ, sit like that. That's better. हाँ,
Can do one thing with
that's better.
I don't know how I'm looking out to see.
Deep दिख रहा है. हाँ ठीक है, now we can see. थोड़ा सा सिर ऊपर करो राहुल. Straight. Straight. हाँ.
Stop it.
आ रहा है.
समझ प्लीज एक सेकंड सीधा बैठो.
आ रहा है.
नहीं वो कट वो बहुत फनी.
तो फिर नीचे हो जाओ.
थोड़ा.
हाँ, this way.
हाँ perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
आगे झुकेगा तो नहीं अच्छा लगेगा.
हाँ आगे मत झुको. Just put your knees आगे no.
फिर मेरे को खड़ा होना पड़ेगा ना.
ये पूरा नीचे.
I am talking, right?
And now you're 4. Start.
So did you say that line?
See.
I think that's better.
up here and you come here.
Or he just sits here, watch it.
Yeah,
Instead of coming behind.
No, I'll sit here. It's looking weird.
Take the hand. Then you have to do that. Okay, so then you walk in and just come fast. Fast. So now yours, no, I'll say that. We're not 3, we're 4.
Now I'm saying it.
You want to
Whose side are you willing?
Don't start with the whole thing, no? Start from the...
Me can't say this. This is the one thing you can't do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're back!
5 years and another 50.
Bigger,
Better.
smarter,
Prettier.
taller. Nah. So, now we're not 3. This is the thing. We're 4 now. 4 musketeers. Hey Jeeves, join the gang, huh?
Mummy, how do you handle these two idiots and that crybaby sitting in the middle?
Okay, this line on the. Is he looking fine sitting on me?
But you should have moved.
Shift a little bit, yeah. It's okay, this week is good. This week good. Now Jeet join the gang or one thing with them. You put your leg on.
No, I can't.
You sit up there. Sit up there. That's better.
Take it. Okay, nice and mommy, how do you?
Mummy, how do you handle these two idiots and the crybaby looking here?
No,
These 3 are a handful, bunch.
Make one line and say it. Make that one line and say that as well. How can you say it?
एक बार रिवाइंड करके देख लो लग कैसे रहा है प्लीज. You guys have taken 20.
No, we take it, no, that's fine.
Good night.
You're recording it?
So you have to start. 1 second.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait, stand. I don't know this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Mummy, Samiksha alone is so hard to handle. How did you manage to take care of all these 3 for such a long time? So, anyways,
Mom!
we had to look for each at each
No,
other.
after you say then you have to look at each other.
No.
We say Mom, and then Sugar starts. Okay, so we start again.
What do you
You're not
think?
saying fine.
No, I'm fine.
Straight.
What do you want to say?
Mummy, Samiksha alone is so hard to handle. How did you manage to take care of these 3 children at the same time for such a long time? So, anyways, Mummy.
Mom, just to tell you that we're not just daddy's little children.
No offense, Dad.
What did I have to say after that?
Okay, are you doing okay first?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. And even if you stutter, it's perfectly okay. Okay? Just say you stop right now but you continue, that's the right way to do it.
First then you know what I say.
And you should not feature in 60 idiots.
बोलो ना मैंने क्या बोला था?
Just to show you that we're not just daddy's little children.
Idiots.
No, little children, he has to say idiots.
Wow.
We've been working on this. Don't say mommy, just say we've been working on this for the last 2 months. Okay, start.
Mummy, Samiksha alone is so hard to... No, I'll start again. Mummy, Samiksha alone is so hard to handle. How did you manage to take care of these 3 idiots at the same time for such a long time?
How do you do that? I'm like, God.
So, anyways.
It's so hot!
Can you please put on the exhaust?
So जो जब वो शिफॉन के सारे में स्नो में नाच सकते तो वैसे नहीं कर सकते.